Hi everyone, today I am at La Marivel, which is near Dona Paula, and if you can see that the CCP has issued a work order. Apparently they are still not showing us the work order. They sent a contractor to clear this mud over here, which is in the private property of the colony. Now even the citizens want this mud to be cleared, but without a work order and without the colony being intimated, this work has been carried out. Now is this right or wrong? Plus, they've also informed, the La Marivel colony has informed the CCP saying that to kindly do a site inspection of how much of land should be cleared off. Till now, there is no site inspection being done on site. And the resident right now, if you can see close by, I'll just zoom in and I'll show you all. She's right now over there trying to block the JCB from digging out the mud without an order. They want the same thing, but they want to follow a legal course of clearing this up. And CCP is just refusing to give us the order. They've also got police force who are right there over there, where the commissioner of CCP has issued this order saying that the police protection is needed. Now this is private property, open space, which is where the villagers of Marivel as well as the residents are using it, and no work order has been issued. Now this is something I have never seen any officials doing work without a work order. I'm sad to see that the commissioner of CCP is doing this such kind of thing. Inspection is a must. Inspection is a must, and you have to measure out what section has to be cleared out, and only then it should be done, so that everyone has documentations to make sure that this work is there. And the residents are very, very upset to what is happening. And just before CCP election, this is the sad reality of our CCP in Pancham. Okay, why are you standing here and what's the real issue?
See, the real issue is that since yesterday, this is the 6th or the 7th time that this JCB has come. We have been asking them repeatedly, nicely, please give us a work order. What are you doing? Why are you here? What do you want to remove? How much do you want to remove? What's going on? Nobody's responding to us. They are just saying we've got the order from CCP. I said, okay, then you must have an order, right? Show us something. We've already written a letter to CCP that you want us to remove all of this. Sure, we'll do it. Send somebody here
to inspect, right?
To inspect.
Okay. Have they sent anyone to inspect?
No, we've written that letter. We're waiting, and since yesterday we are just harassed till last night 10 o'clock. They sent the JCB.
So the CCP is not reverting to y'all at all.
They're not replying to us.
And without sending any notice to y'all, they've directly brought the JCB.
That's right. And all we are asking them is show us some order that why are you here? What are you going to do?
Yeah, because I asked Deepak, who's right there in the white. Deepak is from the CCP, and that guy in the yellow is from the contractor. These are residents who are near the car. We asked them to show us the work order, and they're refusing to show us the work order. This is first time that I've noticed that such arrogance is shown not to produce. Show us the work order and let us see the documentation. But to do this, the villagers, everyone wants this to be cleared, but let's do it legally with documentation. What do you say?
Exactly. That's all we want.
Let's do the site inspection, and let's have the clearance done. What do you say, sir?
Exactly. I'm all for it.
Legally, everything to be done.
This is an open space.
It's for the people, the villagers, for everyone to use.
It is. We want to amicably solve this problem, but the CCP is intervening and creating more problems between the villagers and the colony.
Yeah.
Very true.
Okay, we want to sit down and close this issue, but they are not allowing us. Every half an hour the JCB is coming, and we have to run away from our work and come out here. Now we've been here from 10 o'clock in the morning, and now it is what, 4 o'clock, 3 o'clock.
Yeah, it's almost 3 o'clock.
It's 3 o'clock. No lunch, no breakfast, nothing.
And yesterday was the same. It came 5 times, including 10 o'clock at night. I mean,
so and there are a lot of senior citizens who are standing in protest of the same.
Exactly.
I mean, all that you want is a site inspection by CCP, and you all are ready to do this work. But let's do it legally and officially with all the documentation.
Exactly.
That's what we want.
That's all we are wanting. In fact, that's why we'd ask the villagers also, come sit with us. Let's talk. Let's resolve this.
Yes, and I think so you all are supposed to have a meeting soon.
Yeah.
I'm hoping that good sense prevails, and the CCP adheres to what your demands are, and a site inspection is mandatory before doing any work.
Absolutely.
It's mandatory. It's mandatory.
Yeah.
This is the law.
Yeah.
You do a site inspection and you clear up what you want. That's it. Thank you.
That's all we've been wanting.
Thank you for standing up and voicing up, because what has to be done has to be legally done and not illegally. So thank you so much.
Great.